Before starting the video, I would like to tell you something about IBPSguide.com. In their website, they daily provide you with free questions which will help you boost your preparation of either banking examination or SSC examination. Also, you can check out their test series which has very high standard questions, and also all the questions are accompanied by detailed solutions. Okay, so you don't have to wander here and there for the solutions. And also towards the end of the test, they provide you with analysis that how well you have performed, which are the areas which you must work on. Also, the tests are available in both the language, that is Hindi and English, so you can switch between both the languages, and it is accessible either on mobile application or desktop, whichever suits you. Okay, for more information about IBPS Guide quality mocks, you can visit their e-store, that is e-store.ibpsguide.com. Now let's move on to our video. Hello everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. In this particular video, we'll be solving some simplification problem which will be very important for your RRB PO Pre-2018 exam. And like I have said, this will be the part 2 because we have already discussed the part 1 where we have solved 6 questions related to simplification. Okay, so in this particular video, we will include 5 more questions which will be very important because the level of the question are little higher compared to the part 1 problem. Okay, so without any further ado, let's move on to our problem. So this is our first question. This is 4 multiplied by 4. So I can write this as 4 square multiplied by 3. So this will be 4 to the power 6. Now this is what? This is 8 cube, right? Because 8 cube is 512. So 8 cube divided by 8. So 8 square will come, and 8 square to the power 8. So this is 8 to the power 8 multiplied by, this is what? 8 multiplied by 4, right? So 8 into 8 is 8 square and to the power 4. So 8 to the power 8 multiplied by this 4 to the power 4. So 4 to the power 4, and this is equal to what? 4x plus 4, right? So this 8 to the power 8 will cancel out, and this will be what? 4 to the power 10. So 4 to the power 10 is equal to 4 to the power x plus 4. So x will be definitely what? 6. So in this case, answer is option D. Now this is our second question. This is 76% of 1285. So I will find 75% and then again 1%, because 1% of 1285 is very easy to find out. Okay, so 75% is what? 3 by 4. So I have to take 3 by 4 of this. So I will look at this number as this. This is 1285. I will look at it like this: 1200 plus 80 plus 4. Okay, plus 1, like this. So if I, for example, divide this by 4, this will become 300. 300 multiplied by 3 is 900. Okay, like this you can easily get a good number. Okay, now this is 80. 80 divided by 4 is 20. So 20 multiplied by 3 is 60, plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 multiplied by 3 will be 3, and 4 divided by 4 is what? 0.25, plus multiplied by 3 is 0.75. So exactly we have got this 75%, and 1% will be what? 12.85. So this is the total answer that I will get. Okay, and I have to subtract 35% of this. Okay, so what I will do, I will take 70%, because this number, this can be written as 6 to 8, right? 6 to 8 multiplied by 2. So if I take this 2 to this 35, this will become 70%. So 70% of this, so 10% is 62.8, right? Because 6 to 8 is 100%. So 10% will be what? 62.8, right? So 10% is 62.8. So if I want 70%, so I have to multiply this by 7. So 60 multiplied by 7 is what? 42. 420, right? And 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. And 0.8 multiplied by 7 is what? 5.6. So this is the number that I have to subtract. Now this 400 will cancel this 900, and I will get 500. Okay, again this is 20 and 14. So 34. So 34, if I cancel here, this will become 26. Now 5.6. So if I cancel this 5, this will become 7, and this 0.6 will cancel. So 7.2 will be roughly. Okay, so 7.2 plus 3 is 10.2. 10.2 plus 26 is what? 36.2. So 536 point something. So that is 537. So directly answer will be option A. Now in the third question, this is 2 by 7 of this. So first I will cancel this by 7. So 7 times is 49. Then this is 13. So 7 1 times, and then 63. So 7 9 times. Now if I multiply this by 2, this is 700 multiplied by 2 is 1400, and 19 multiplied by 2 is 438. So this is 1438 plus 78%. Okay, so I will write it like this: 80% minus 2%. Okay, so 80% will be what? 10% is 65. So 10% is 65. So I have to find 80%. So multiply by 8. So 65 multiplied by 2 is 130. Okay, 130 multiplied by 4, that is 520. So this is 520. And then I have to subtract 2%. 2% is what? 1% is 6.5. So 2% will be 13, right? Equal to x square. And if I take this side, this will be 181, right? Now if I cancel this 180 from this 520, this will be what? 340, because 340 plus 180 is 520. Okay, now I have to subtract this 13 also. So if I cancel this by 13, this will become 27. So 327, and this is 1 also. So if I cancel this, this will be 326. So 326 plus 1438. So this will be 14 plus 6, okay, this is 7, so 1764, which is nothing but what, 42 square. Okay, so answer is what, option C. Now the fourth question, this is 32% of 480. Okay, so 30% will be what, 48 multiplied by 3. So 40 multiplied by 3 is 120 plus 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. And again 2%. 2% will be what, 1% is 4.8. So 2% will be 9.6. So this is my first answer that I will get. Plus this is 7 times. 7 2 times is 14. So this will be 49. So 7 times 270. 270 multiplied by 5. So this will be what, 135. If I give this 2 to this 5, so this will become 10. So this is 1350 minus, because I can write like this now, 270 will be equal to what, 2 into 135, and I have to multiply this by 5. So I will multiply this by 5. So 5 2 times is 10. 10 multiplied by 135 is 1350. Now this is 28%. 28% I can write it like this, 30% minus 2%, right? So 30% will be what? 10% is 82. So 30% will be 80 multiplied by 3 is 240 plus 6. Okay. And then we have to subtract 2% also. So 2% will be 1% is 8.2. So 2% will be minus 16.4. Right. So this is the answer that I will get. So now I have to solve this one. So again, I will cancel this 6 with this 6. This will become 10.4. So if I consider this as roughly 10, then this will be 230. Okay. Now this 230, if I cancel this by 350, this will be 120. Right. So 1120, okay, plus this is 120 plus 4. So 144, 144 plus 9 is 155. So 155. So if I add these, this is 5721, 1275, which is approximately equal to what? 1274, because here we have 0.4 also, which is to be subtracted. So exactly I will get 1274. Okay. Now the last question. Now the fifth question is, this is question mark. So x multiplied by 100. Okay. Now this one is what? 140 into 8. So 100 into 8 is 800. 800 plus this will be what? 40 into 8 is 320 and minus 680. Okay. So if I cancel this 600, this will become 200, and if 80 I subtract, this will become what? 240. So 240 plus this is 440 is equal to what? 330. Okay. Plus 45 square. 45 square is what? 25 and 20, because 4 and 5 square, whenever a number is ending with 5, the square of this number will be equal to what? First I have to write 25, and then this number is 4 multiplied by 5 will come. So this will be 20 and 25. So 2025. So this is 2025. Now if I add these two numbers, I will get 2355. Okay, and I have to multiply this by 440. So 440. Then this will be equal to what? X into 100. Right. So if I cancel this by 0, this will become this much, and if I cancel this 10, so this will become 4.4, right? So x will be equal to what? 2355 multiplied by 4.4. Okay, 4.4. So if I give this 2 to this 2355, this will become 2.2, and if I give, for example, this 2 here, then this will be 2300 multiplied by 2 is what? 4600 plus 55 multiplied by 2 is 110. Okay. Now I have to multiply this by 2. So 2 multiplied by this is 9200, right? Plus 2 multiplied by this will be 220. And now I have to multiply this by 0.2. So 0.2 will be what? 920, right? And this will be what? 22. So I have to add all these numbers, okay? So this is 9200 plus 200 and 900. This is 1100. So 1100 I have to add. Again, this is 20 and 22. So 40. So my answer will be, this is 9000 plus 1000, that is 10,000, 10,300, and this is 42, and again this is 22. So 10,362, that is option B. Okay. So I hope आपको ये जो पांचों क्वेश्चन थे आपको समझ आया होगा. These are somewhat little bit higher compared to the part 1 problem. Okay. So if you have any doubt regarding any of the question, you can comment down below, and I will try to rectify your doubt as soon as possible. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to IBPS Guide, and also for the quality marks, you can visit the description below. Thank you so much.